Hey, good morning. This is Dale Calvert. Sometimes I feel like I have to get stuff out or my head's going to explode. This is one of those moments. I'm scrolling through my email this morning and I see this promotion for this new course teaching people how to overcome the imposter syndrome. I will tell you how to overcome the imposter syndrome. Don't be an imposter. For years, I've said, do it, then talk about it. And I know that's the opposite of what most people have been telling you to do, to go on social media and fake it till you make it. And again, this is something I've been talking about for a long time. And now there's actually a course to teach people how to get past their feelings of feeling like they're an imposter and and continue to teach that which you've never done and talk about that which you've never done. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The secret to overcoming imposter syndrome. And guys, again, I can show you a lot of documentation. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because it's real simple. Do it, and then talk about it. This is the very first course that we ever did, generic course that we made available. And guess what? Uh, we had already become a millionaire before this course was ever released to anybody. Do it, then talk about it. Here's another article that was written several years ago. And again, probably 5, 6 years ago, it says there are over 42,000 self proclaimed network marketing gurus, ninjas, masters, rock stars, consultants, and trainers on YouTube. And again, this article was probably written 5 or 6 years ago. And I said, and I'm not going to read the whole article to you. You can go read it if you want. momhelp.com/rockstar. And it says, I like to periodically check in on the number of self proclaimed network marketing gurus, ninjas, masters, rock stars, consultants, and trainers listed on YouTube. Why? Well, it seems to be an important metric, an indicator of the real mindset of the distributors within the industry. How many people are currently trying to teach people to do that which they've never done, i.e., build a large duplicating organization of leaders full of full time earners? Honestly, I think this is the number one reason the network marketing industry is not leading the charge in the entrepreneurial awakening we see happening around the world. And again, there's probably not 42,000 on YouTube now. You know why? Because the profession has been on this type of trend for years. Why? Because we've allowed self proclaimed gurus that were more interested in telling people what they wanted to hear so they could sell them what they want to sell them. We've let them just kind of overtake the whole profession. And that's the state in which we're in. It's sad, guys. It's really, really sad to me that it's gotten to this point. It blows my mind. I don't know how we as a profession, the greatest opportunity in the world to help average people with above average desire and the willingness to go to work and learn, create financial independence, how we've let it get to the point that now we're having to teach all these people. And it's not just in this niche, it's in every niche, but it's full bore in the attraction marketing niche of network marketing. It's full bore, and how we've allowed it to get to such a state of delusion that now we're needing to provide courses to teach people that have been trying to out there in the marketplace talking about that which they've never done. Now we have to provide some type of psychological counseling for them by giving them a course to help them overcome imposter syndrome. That's all I got today. I hope you guys have a good one. Unbelievable.